Hey guys, Charity here with a 2-minute garden tip Tuesday. As you can see, my garden is a hot mess out here. We had 5 days of freezing weather. A lot of things didn't make it and I just kind of let it play out its course. But what I want to share with you today is this is the perfect time to make adjustments to your garden. I'm actually going to be completely moving my garden, which sounds so daunting. I've got these big beds here, I've got big beds on the other side, I've got cinder block beds there, wooden beds on the back side. But as you can see, I've got a new business moving in really closely and the driveway is going to be real close to my garden. And honestly, I'm not that comfortable with it with all the kids that come and spend time in my garden. So this garden is going to be moving. Let me show you where. Welcome to the new garden space. All the way from there all the way down, we are going to bush hog this area. We're gonna till a couple of areas, cover a couple of areas, and move the garden back here, which is gonna be really, really great. We're further from the road, we're further from traffic. There's gonna be a lot more growing space, so I'll be able to put things in the ground like my roselle that does better in the ground than it does in raised beds and pots. A lot of other varieties of larger things that I've wanted to grow, we're gonna have that opportunity back here. And this is the perfect time because it's these colder winter months when I'm not putting in a lot of my spring things. This is the perfect time to do it. Make those adjustments now before it gets close to spring and you really just wanna get planted and you don't actually do the things that you need to do. So get those garden spaces moved or adjusted, change up the beds if you need, add things to the bed, get ready for some trellises. Whatever adjustments you need to be made in the garden should happen right now, and you can start your seeds according to the new space that you're gonna have. Make it a great day, y'all. I would love to know how you're growing and what adjustments you're making in your garden this winter time to prepare you for spring.